Hi everyone, welcome back to Rosie's Reviews, and today I'll be showing you how to make a mask out of a bandana. So you have your bandana, you can iron it for a neater look, but you have it as square, and what you do is you want to fold that in half. So you fold that in half to look like this, and then that rectangle you fold it in half again. So let's fold that again in half. Eventually it will look like this. You grab 2 rubber bands or ponytails, whatever you have that is a stretchy material. So you go like this. And I'm going to try and do some fabric ones, but I don't have a lot of elastic, and that's what's happening right now. A lot of people don't have elastic, so you have to resort to what you have at home. So after you put the ponytails like this on the wrong side or on this side, you fold it into a third. So you fold it like this. You fold it onto itself. And then this part, you fold it into the inside of this part, into the middle of this part. So you do that, and then you fold and you get in there like that. And there you have your mask. It's as simple as that. So I hope this review has helped. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that. Subscribe Rosie's Reviews. Follow me on Instagram, Rosie's Reviews Official, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.